Hello, good evening. Me and my hubby Lizzie Boy having dinner here at the One Chai Hong Kong Tea Room. August 26, 2026. One Chai Hong Kong Tea Room restaurant. Okay. This Lizzie Boy with the signature of Pacific. 74 years na Singaporean din tayo. Okay. Complete name Lizzie Boy. Okay. We're having, I'm having what is this? Wonton soup. Lizzie Boy is for fun. Okay. Enjoy, folks, at the IMM Mall. One Chai Hong Kong Tea Room Restaurant. Okay. Enjoy Singapore. Me and my hubby. August 26, 2026. Enjoy Singapore at the IMM Mall.